I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start on a duplicated clip so you never risk the original. First, make sure sequence settings match your source. Mismatch can hide soft focus. Once done, scrub to a representative frame and enable the Lumetri panel to see exposure and detail. You should inspect sharpness at 100% zoom to judge true focus. Then add a sharpen or unsharp mask effect with low values. This is your first actionable correction step before deeper fixes. Now you refine using targeted sharpening. Apply unsharp mask and start conservative, amount around 50 to 150 and radius between 0, 5 and 1. 5. Adjust while viewing at 100%. Once tuned, add a duplicate layer and use a mask or tracking to protect skin tones so you don't create halos. Alternatively, use a high pass method. Place a duplicate, apply high pass, set blend to overlay or soft light, and reduce opacity to taste. This boosts perceived focus by enhancing mid-frequency contrast. Finish by balancing crispness against artifacts. You should toggle noise reduction if sharpening increases grain. Temporal denoise preserves motion while reducing noise. Then render short sections at full quality to confirm focus looks good in motion, because playback previews can mislead. If you still see softness, try selective color contrast or a trusted third-party sharpen plugin. If nothing helps and footage is irrecoverably soft, the practical solution may
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.